To some groundbreaking news now, persons infected and affected by HIV/AIDS should feel more comfortable in the workplace with the introduction of a workplace policy to the Tobago House of Assembly by the Ministry of Labour and Small and Enterprise Development. The formal presentation of the policy was done on Friday at the penthouse of the Victor E. Bruce Financial Complex in the presence of the Minister of Labour and Small Enterprise Development and the THA Chief Secretary. Patricia Nicholson has more.
Chief Administrator in the Tobago House of Assembly, Ray Sandy, said, even as people enjoy casual banter and pick-on among each other in the workplace, behaviors targeting one's health status should not be tolerated.
One's HIV status should never be the subject of casual banter at the workplace or anywhere else. The workplace should ideally provide a safe and secure haven for all, regardless of status.
Mr. Sandy said a workplace policy on HIV/AIDS is desirable as it provides the policy framework for action towards reducing the spread of the disease and managing its impact. He said it can also help to reduce discrimination in the workplace. Minister of Labour and Small Enterprise Development Jennifer Baptiste-Primus said the policy is in keeping with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals.
The National Workplace Policy on HIV and AIDS was launched on August 8, 2017 in Trinidad. Today's presentation, as did the launch, signifies the government's ongoing commitment to making significant strides with respect to our social approach to this virus. In addition, the government is also convinced that its approach to HIV and AIDS must treat with HIV and AIDS not only as a health issue, but also as a workplace issue and also as a labor issue.
She said according to information provided by the National Surveillance Unit of the Ministry of Health, the Caribbean remains the region with the second highest rate of HIV/AIDS prevalence in the world, with sub-Saharan Africa being number 1.
Reports from the National Surveillance Unit also indicate that the group of persons which is considered by productivity standards the most productive and employable is the group which is seeing increased infection rate. 2014 statistics from the Ministry of Health state that 44.4% of new HIV cases were in the age group 25 to 44.
Following the formal addresses, there was a ceremonial handing over of the policy to THA Chief Secretary Kelvin Charles, President of the Tobago Hotel and Tourism Association Chris James, Demi-John of the Tobago Chamber of Industry and Commerce, and the Tobago AIDS Society. I'm Patricia Nicholson for C News.